Welcome to this Functional Skills Level 2 Maths training video. This video contains information and guidance on Criterion 8. Express one number as a fraction of another. At Level 2, and by the end of this session, you should be able to identify and understand fractions. Write simple fractions. Express one number as a fraction of another. And simplify fractions. A fraction is a way of representing a part of a whole. It is written with two numbers, one on top of the other, separated by a line. The top number is called the numerator. It tells you how many parts you have. The bottom number is called the denominator. It tells you how many equal parts the whole is divided into. For example, in the fraction 3/4, 3 is the numerator. 4 is the denominator. This means you have 3 parts out of a total of 4 equal parts. Now it's your turn. Complete the following questions. Pause the video, then press play when you're ready to continue. Did you answer correctly? Pause the video while you check, then press play to move on to simplifying fractions. Simplifying a fraction means reducing it to its simplest or lowest form. Here's how you can simplify a fraction. We will use 8/12 as an example. Step 1. Identify the numerator and denominator. 8 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. Step 2. Find the highest common factor. The highest common factor is the largest number that divides both the numerator and the denominator without leaving a remainder. The factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. The highest common factor is 4 because it is the largest factor that both 8 and 12 share. Step 3. Divide the numerator and denominator by the highest common factor, 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 8/12 simplifies to 2/3. When a fraction has been simplified as much as possible, the numerator and denominator will have no common factors other than 1. Here is a fraction for you to simplify. Pause the video, then press play when you're ready to continue. Let's check our answer. Step 1. Identify the numerator and denominator. The numerator is 18 and the denominator is 24. Step 2. Find the highest common factor of 18 and 24. The highest common factor is 6. Step 3. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by the highest common factor. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 18/24 simplifies to 3/4. Here are some practice exam questions for you to try. Pause the video while you work out the answers, then press play when you're ready to continue. Did you get them right? Pause the video while you check your answers, then press play to continue. Here's another question for you to try. Pause the video while you calculate the answer, then press play to continue. Let's check your answer. Did you get it right? In its simplest form, the fraction becomes 10/19. Let's take a look at another question. Pause the video while you calculate the answer, then press play to continue. Let's check your answer. Did you get it right? In its simplest form, the fraction becomes 1/8. 1/8 of the money was spent on travel. Here's the final exam practice question. Pause the video while you calculate the answer, then press play to continue. Let's check the answer. First, we need to add up the chocolates to find the total. This will give us the denominator. 13 plus 17 plus 14 plus 18 equals 62. The denominator is 62. Next, check how many chocolates were coffee-filled. This will give us the numerator. 14 chocolates were coffee-filled. This gives us the fraction 14 out of 62. Now we need to find the highest common factor for each. The highest common factor is 2. Finally, we need to simplify the fraction. To do this, we divide the numerator and denominator by the highest common factor. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 62 divided by 2 equals 31. The final answer is 7 out of 31. You should now be able to identify and understand fractions. Write simple fractions. Express one number as a fraction of another. And simplify fractions. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.